Hello traders and welcome to the Market Open Preview. Today is April 16th, 2014. This educational video is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, please give me the opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is William K. Gilday. I am a professional Forex trader from 2006. I retired in 2008 and went full-time in trading and had the great honor and pleasure to move to the great country of Thailand. So I'm coming to you from Thailand on the raining beaches today. Terrible weather today, thunderstorms and rain, but it's still worth keeping a smile on your face. It is a great day. So before we get to the charts, let us take care of the legal situation. Okay, traders, this is our risk disclaimer. Please remember that Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Good money management, good trade management, good trade analysis, good entries, good exits, and know when to get out of your trade when the trade is bad. Okay, traders, let's go over to our news watch list today. So today we had the news out already, and we had Chinese industrial production year on year. We had Chinese GDP year on year and quarter on quarter. And in the Euro session, we're going to have the Great British Pound climate count change. We're going to have the Euro CPI year on year, which is high impact. In the US session, we have building permits, again, high impact. We also have in the US session, FOMC Chairwoman Yellen speaks again today. And also out of Canada, we have an interest rate decision, which again is high impact. All of these news items today that I have on the list today, traders, is high impact. Okay, let's take a look at one of our charts from yesterday, and the trade just happened to work out great. Let's bring in the Aussie dollar 1 hour chart. Okay, traders, this is a chart that we've been looking at for the last 3 days. Today's day 3. We did this trade plan on Monday, and we can see where our yellow box is, where we wanted to take this trade to the downside. We were looking for this to come up into the yellow box, which it did, and we were looking for a bearish candlestick formation. And if you look in the yellow box, you can see that we had an evening star, and the currency pair continued to the downside, went sideways, continued to the downside, and I'm happy to announce that it actually came to our take profit area of 93.40, which was just above the 200 exponential moving average, and we would take profit at that area. So the analysis and the trade plan worked well. I took this shot about 1 hour ago before recording this video. All right, traders, let's take a look at the currency pairs we're going to look at today. And the first one is the Euro Aussie. And this is the daily chart. Daily chart on the Euro Aussie. Okay, if you were to take this pair and stretch it out, you would see that we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. So we need price to give us a bullish candlestick formation on a lower time frame to enter the trade. However, I want to bring your attention to a couple of things. One is that the upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band are curled. Now, there's a lot of pips in between that, but when you see that on a daily chart, remember, traders, this is probably going to also reflect on the lower time frames, which is okay as long as we're aware of that. Also, take a look at how price is hovering around that 200 exponential moving average, which is the green line on my charts. Okay, traders, let's go to the 1 hour chart on the Euro Aussie 1 hour chart. This is our trade setup for today. What we're doing is we had to do our trade setup on the 1 hour chart because the 15-minute chart did not give us a trade setup. So we had to go back to the 1 hour chart, and this is what we have. We have price hovering at the 200 exponential moving average, which is that, again, green line on the chart. We want this to come back into our yellow square. You can see the little up arrow there, and we're looking for a bullish pattern above the 200 EMA to go long. The 200 EMA is currently at 47.74. We'd like to see a bullish pattern close above that 200 EMA, and we're looking to take profit at 48.24. So it is an hourly chart. Our drawdown's a little bit more, but our reward is a little bit more. Also notice that the Bollinger Bands are curled again on the 1 hour chart, but they're very far apart, so I'm not too concerned about that. If price moves in either direction, those Bollinger Bands will go to the side, and when a Bollinger Band is on the side, I consider that to be an open Bollinger Band. So traders, let's go to the pound dollar. This is the Great British Pound US dollar daily chart. This is just an awesome chart. If you take a look at this chart expanded out, you will see that it's in an uptrend. It's been in an uptrend for a long time, and the channel that I put in there shows how nice this pair is just traveling inside the channel. The channel is just above 350 pips. Really sweet. Look at the 200 exponential moving average moving to the upside. So yes, traders, we are in an uptrend on the Great British Pound US dollar daily chart. All right, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Traders, this is the 1 hour chart. Look at these Bollinger Bands. Just starting to open a little bit to the side, but what do we have here, traders? Yes, we have a ranging market. A ranging market. I'm not too interested unless you're a scalper and willing to scalp that range. This is not a good sign on the hourly chart. So being we don't have anything on the hourly chart and I don't trade on the daily chart, let's move to the 15-minute chart. Okay, traders, this is our 15-minute chart on the Great British Pound US dollar. And what do we have here? Look at the Bollinger Bands. Straight out, where is it hovering at? The 200 exponential moving average, which is that green line on my chart. Price is stuck there. Again, traders, I took this screenshot about an hour before I recorded this video. So we are in a ranging trend. We are sideways. We have no trade setup now. Doesn't mean we won't get one later, but right now, traders, we just do not have a trade setup. So remember, as professional traders, we know that we are paid to wait. And you have to remember that probably 90% of your time in front of your computer screens, you are waiting for price action to develop and come to your entry point and take the trade. So we're just going to sit back. We're going to wait until price does exactly what we want it to do. We're not going to jump into these trades. We're not going to do anything crazy. We're going to sit back and wait till price comes to us. Traders, I would like to thank you very much for joining me today in our educational videos brought to you by FXCL Excellence in Trading. Again, traders, thank you so much, and we'll catch you next time. From the raining beaches in Thailand, have a great trading day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.